Jowai Polytechnic balas sdang naduh snem Wei hakilai tylli ki department ba kynthup Iaka Architectural Assistantship ke Automobile Engineering bar Costume Design bar Garment Technology daka jingwan jong Bah S P Basaiawmoit ban shimti ka kam principal ki Samla Pule hagane ka shlem jingstad kila iohlad ban Pynpaw bar Pynpaw Pyrthei yala ki sap ki phong daka ba pynlong ya ka tamasa pyni nam ya ki jingshna jingsuh ki jain phong badait ki jingdro jingpynwandur jingpynkylla ya ki rong ki rup jong ki kali bat ki bicycle Mynta ka kenti keladai ka sin ban ningkong ki Samla Pule bakin iohlad ban Pynpaw Pyrthei ya ki sap ki phong baki yo jing hikai na kani ka jaka Pule la haka jingdai bat ka rukom Jingpynwandur ya ki jain ki sopti ki yeng ki sem ki kali saushaka arshaka ki tiar ba bonjat bat ki jinat ba bonjat Bah S P Basaiawmoit kumu principal bat bit ula iohlad bat penslur ya ki Samla Pule ban le ya ki kam baki angnut ula ketik bat iohlad lut ya ki Samla Pule bakin shna bat su jain kat kum ka jingkwa bat jing angnut jengki da shisha ka jing yo i jingai jeng u kala seiso kumta ka jing thrang jing angnut jeng u kala sedang ban urlong haka shitarik nai wing la pynlong ya ka exhibition technophilia arpulai showcase of arts and culture and innovation kabala pynlong daka Jowai Polytechnic hapo ka jingalam jong u kumu principal hakaba ki Samla Pule jong ki lai tylli ki department ki la pen irong ya ki sap ki phong ki jing tre shitom jong ki hakane ka jing pen irong lawan sakhi de ki riu rang ba na Jowai bat ki riu khmat ki bala shakhot sngoba na lor ki khna na ki school ki badon hasnong Jowai haba a jingkren USP Basaiawmoit uong Shibun ki badon shisha kasap hakini ki lan handrei umdan par ba ai jingmut eki ban wan Pule hakani ka jaka kathong ba khmat jong kani ka sngi kalong ban pen i ka sap ka jingstad bar ka jingla ki Samla Pule ka Jowai Polytechnic na lor ban pen iru shaki wei ki Samla ki bam tip bam bana ya kani na mar bun ki khna kim tip ba kani ka Polytechnic ka don hangni ban hikai ya ki sap jongki ka kong DV Lingdo Additional Deputy Commissioner West Jante Hills District kalalong ka kongsan hakani ka sngi kalaya ro ya ka jingstad jing shempang ki Samla Pule bat kampoi perkhat banyo i kat kini ki jing itnat baki Samla Pule kila ban Pynwandur kala kentu ki Samla Pule ban yach khmat bat nang yai wat jing tip shu namar umdan jing kut ban wat jing nang jingstad bat ban poi shakathong kala ban rap da ka baong ka jing tre shitom bat jing tre lang kalong ka badon kam hadu kata-kata
Tak bien.
He himself, he's like, surprised and shocked to see the ability of the student here. So much. You have 3 departments here in Polytechnic. So even he is surprised to know that so much. I mean, the student of this institution have so much of knowledge. So it's really great to see such beautiful thing and innovative work taken up by the student. I think the credit, first of all, we shouldn't forget. It goes to the faculty, right? To the team, to the teachers who guide the student in every steps, in every way, in every step that they take. They're always there to guide them, to help them, to impart them with whatever possible knowledge. So we should thank the faculty team for this, and most importantly the students who are a part of this creation. When I look at the costume department, it's just so great. I've seen all these in the boutique, like you don't expect to see this thing, to see all these in an institution done by our young students, which is really, really great. I'm amazed. So really thank you for this. Then also I haven't go through the exhibition yet, so yet to see what you all are showcasing it. Anyway, just a few encouraging words from my side. Always believe in learning more. There's no end to knowledge. There's no end to learning. There's no end to achievements. Okay? As a student, you learn even from a young boy or a girl. If you want to learn, you can even learn from a young boy or a girl. So, learning, there is no limit to learning. As you move, as you step forward, you'll find that you learn more and more. So, yes, I've seen your creativity. Keep it up. Learn more. Move out of your box. Okay? And then you should have the ability to communicate more, have the ability to learn more, have the ability to, to ask good questions, being a student in the class. Alright? You should have these abilities. These are some of the points that, which will lead you forward. You need to learn. You need to learn and learn. Hard work is important. And another important point which I want to share here, it's teamwork. Teamwork is very important. You are in this, the costume, okay? Then you have the automobile engineering, right? Then you also have the architecture here. So teamwork will help you. Innovation is what you need nowadays. We really need that. And as a student in today's world, you know that today's world we are highly interconnected. It's not that highly interconnected. So it's not difficult for us to learn or to get knowledge. So an important thing is you need to, focus. You need to have patience, and hard work is very, very important. So I think nothing more from my side. I'm very new to this subject. I'm an art student, so I don't know much how you are working in this, in your particular department. Anyway, but I guess the same approach, it applies to all, right? It's how
si hangi po Jowai Polytechnic ni ki dan kini ki likely department architecture assistantship automobile engineering but costume design. The ngawan hari kom principal in 2018. Then after that, immediately after that, few years kawan oka lockdown. Okay, we face problem with that. But idang yo iki class 21 ni, 21, 22. Te kidan kini ki project jong kena ke baki shlem ki end semester ini iki project ki jong ki. They from that time ka sdang ban straight ke jemut my mind that I have to do something. Especially like aku aban expose ikani sabar mo hapo hani district even throughout the state. Namun bagi there are so many students, so many of our good students ki bedan ka potential then rimdan ba guide iki baginwan banship admission ni. Some of them they landed up haki school ni college ke ba ki babi hedin te balik ki join itu. They nak tahu bekas pelongi bagi perkan hak dekat last academic meeting kawan nangahi bagi ko aban doni kini ke exhibition where we want to invite more people from I mean participants invitees from outside Nabar. Dekat hello jo kita kan orang ka bangi ni go ikani exhibition bagi temu itu main objective of this exhibition kadai to showcase their talent, the potential, the abilities jong ki kena gaji. That is the main objective. And not only that, kadang kata ban advertise stage kiwe ki kena aru kibam tip kan kibam tip. See, many of actually born ki kena ke they didn't even know bakanik polne kadan hange that we are imparting this kind of training education. Dan ni kibam ba polne like kamlong hapo even a diploma. But here we are offering a 3-year diploma course. Gidan gini ke faculty mo is top sec architecture very competent. Really my ka labanong ka ijunga ka dinam tekin ke bela shimti ta ka joki. Main gani kata hai.